Good morning. First time buyer, limited down payment. FHA was built just for you. Buying your first home can feel intimidating, especially if your credit isn't perfect or if you're struggling to save money for a large down payment. And that's where FHA loans come in, a government backed mortgage program designed to make homeownership accessible to millions of Americans. So you may be asking yourself, what is an FHA loan? An FHA loan is insured by the Federal Housing Administration, or FHA, and managed by the U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development, or HUD. And this backing reduces risk for lenders, allowing them to approve buyers who may not meet conventional mortgage standards. So let's look at some of the key benefits of FHA loans. You have a low down payment. You can buy a home with as little as 3.5% down. Perfect for those still building savings. There's flexible credit requirements. FHA loans accept credit scores as low as 580 and sometimes even lower with compensating factors and a larger down payment. FHA allows for higher debt to income ratios, so it's more flexible with debt to income ratios. It helps borrowers with student loans or car payments still qualify. And there's some streamlined refinance options. FHA's streamlined refinance program makes it easier to lower your rate later without an appraisal. Understanding mortgage insurance is our next segment. So FHA loans require two types of mortgage insurance. There's an upfront mortgage insurance premium called UFMIP, which is 1.75% of the loan amount. And typically that's financed into the loan for you, so it's not a cash item. Then you have your annual mortgage insurance premium, or MIP, paid monthly based on the loan amount and term. While it adds to your monthly payment, this insurance is what makes the program's flexible approval requirements possible. So, who FHA loans are best for? FHA loans are ideal for first-time home buyers, to borrowers with limited credit history, individuals recovering from past credit challenges, buyers with limited savings for a down payment. So there's two core products to the FHA program. There's a 203B and there's a 203K. Let's talk about what fits your needs. So the FHA 203B program is the standard program for purchasing a ready-to-move-in home. And there's an FHA 203K, which is a renovation version that lets you finance both the purchase and rehab costs into one loan, and it's great for fixer-uppers. And here's an example, a real-world FHA success story. A young family in Katy, Texas had a 620 credit score and modest savings, and with an FHA loan, they purchased their first home with only 3.5% down, financed their upfront insurance into the loan, and locked in a rate that fit their budget. Within a year, they were able to refinance to further reduce their payment and also get a new roof replaced. So, winner, winner, winner. Here are the final thoughts for today. FHA loans make homeownership possible for millions who thought that they couldn't qualify. If you're ready to get started, I'll walk you through every step from pre-approval to closing day. And you can schedule a consultation today at billrapponline.com and see if an FHA loan is right for you. That, my friends, is all for the day. Hope you have a good one.